Hi everyone, this is Shriya Kamang. In this video, I'll walk you through how you can withdraw your earning from DLSurf. If you have been uploading and monetizing your content here, then it's time to enjoy the best part of getting paid. Let's get started. First, log into your DLSurf account. Then click on Switch to Publish at the top right corner to access your creator dashboard. From there, click on Earning Overview. With the tab, the withdraw button, you will see a list of available payment methods like PayPal, UPI, Paytm, eSeva, and many more. Select your preferred method, enter your payment method, and hit withdraw. That's it. Your withdrawal will be reviewed and typically processed within 24 hours. So, if you request today, then you will receive your money by tomorrow. At DLSurf, we believe that creators deserve fast, simple, and reliable payouts. So, whether you are earning through downloads, purchase, or ads, you are just few clicks away. Start creating, keep earning, and enjoy your payouts only on DLSurf. Thank you.